opening scene.
What?
Welcome, Marka.
Okay, Hacksaw Jim Dugan. So we got this guy all dialed in now. Made some modifications to this. Heated this pulley up a little bit and pushed it in a little bit more because it's tight on the shaft. What's the matter, Dan?
That's what she said. That's really what she said. There's no other response.
I open myself to these things. And I made these nice stainless steel T-handles. Let me move this out a little bit here. There we go.
Have we shown you our machine where we do rim jobs on?
Oh, there we go. She makes quick work. This is 3/8 inch steel. There's the one that I did Saturday. And there's the mess Dan made.
Pop my belt. Broke. Please zoom in on my crotch for everybody to see. Don't do it. Don't do it. I just don't want to impress people too much.
Right. So what have we been working on today, Dan?
We've been working on that idea for a while. And we were working on my uncle does paramotoring, you know, the big fans on the back, and you have the big wing / parachute thing, and you fly sometimes up to like crazy altitudes, but he does that, and I think he had a mishap on a landing or a takeoff, and these things are made to crumble, so it's just like a car. So he wasn't hurt at all, but he bent the frame up pretty good, so we had to bend it back for him, and it just took us a while to get to this one. Apologies, Uncle Bill, if you're watching. So
and we got the main frame. The motor frame was what was really bent. And we got that straightened out pretty good. I mean, it was really tweaked. It was off to the side and bent this way and bent out that way. And we were able to get it fairly straight so that this orange fan frame, we were able to get it to fit decent. And it has some prior repair work on it down there and over here and on this frame.
We stuck it together with some paper clips and gum. So hopefully it'll fly and it won't fall apart and nobody will be plummeting to demise. A demise.
Early demise.
No, but it should be fine. We just had to bend it. We're prying it, standing on it. We used some yeah, that's all we did. We used some hammers and
yeah, it's only
aluminum. Cover blown. We only used some hammers and like some metal rods to like twist it. And
yeah, we didn't need like a porter power or anything. It's just aluminum.
Yeah.
Although I have a porter power.
You have one?
Yeah.
So we could just use it. Yeah. So it should be good. You should be flying again with this frame. But yeah, I don't know how his wife feels about that one. Sorry, Aunt Jill. Don't be following me like that. I don't know why I'm still wearing these. So I just wanted you all to know I'm here before Cole today, and he's gonna see this and probably edit it in some sort of funny way. But it's gonna be a surprise when he sees this. I'm not gonna tell him. But I've been cleaning up the shop today, sweeping everywhere, picking up everything. And basically the only reason I'm here early is because my car's getting inspected up the road. So I had some time to kill. But we're cleaning and we just got the blue hose in. Get your mind out of the gutter. Got some blue hose. And we're gonna hook it up in a different way around the sandblaster, so we can just plug it right in. We don't have to run a line the whole way. So I imagine that'll be somewhere in today or tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, I think my uncle's coming in to pick up that the Paramotor frame that we bent back into shape, and hopefully that checks out. But Cole, you're welcome. I gave you some more footage.
Guys, this is Cole with Regal Metalworks. Hey, coming to you live here with a new camera. Hopefully it looks a lot cleaner and crisper. Finally went to a DSLR. Got tired of the GoPro and the problems it had with it. So trying out this Canon Rebel SL2. It's supposed to be a great vlogging camera. And we got one of the wide angle zoom lenses on it. Right, Dan?
Hey, you got a bigger camera.
The funny thing is it doesn't feel any heavier.
Something changed. Something changed.
What?
Something changed.
What changed?
The camera's bigger.
It's not that much bigger.
It's different looking.
It looks a lot cleaner, a lot more crisp, a lot more light getting in there.
A lot more dirt.
Yeah, I don't know how it's going to look over here.
Good job.
Finally got some more of that blue hose in. Went ahead and fixed this guy here, fixed our drop. So now we have, the loop is now outside. So ran it around here, out through here. Ran it around here, so we have a drop here. So now I have a line hooked up directly to this blaster. I'm going to use a 90-degree angle. I didn't have any, so that'll clean that up, make that tighter. And the same thing with this side here. So I'll make it a little cleaner, and I'll cut some of the excess out here, so that it runs back into the loop that goes into where the air compressor is, and then back into this room. And the loop continues, comes around here, and that goes around all the drops here. So that's probably about 700 foot, I think, because I got two 300 kits and another 100 foot kit. So that's about 700 foot. I have maybe 20 foot left over. Yeah. Awesome.
Rim job. I'm just sweeping. Doing the dirty work today.
Yeah, Dan's doing all the cleaning. He's been here all morning cleaning. I think he's been here all morning.
I've been here since 10.
10?
Which is sometimes, what time is it? It is
Almost 5.
And there have been times
Where I show up about now.
Yeah. Thinking how much more you accomplished today. How much better you'll feel when you go home.
I'm feeling tired. Tired. I'm tired. I want you.
All of it. Is that recording? Is it recording still? Can you record my complaining? First world problems.
What are you doing there?
Hashtag cleaning up your mess. What do you think I'm doing? What does it look like I'm doing, Cole? Figuring out all the major problems in the universe, like how to communicate with women. Don't put that in the vlog. Because I will be taught a hard lesson in saying that.
What are we doing?
Do it.
There's a little tool to clean out these T-slots.
Where? These?
here.
Oh, it's a T-tool?
No.
These things look like tape.
It's this tool. Right here.
Thanks. Then you put it. Did you make that? Oh no. So you go like this and
Put it in there, turn it a little
okay.
bit.
How we do this?
Don't fling it all over the place.
Well, I'm gonna sweep it up. My bow. Great tool. Great tool. Just gonna keep on cleaning this up. So I don't freak out on camera. 'Cause I'm about to. Just kidding, but seriously. I might punch the camera, it's brand new. Any advice for getting, for cleaning this up?
Yep.
Not you, Cole. Viewers. I'm talking to the viewers. My friends. My only friends. Get somebody else to do it. Cool. Right on. So
That's what I did.
that's where I come in. stuff's everywhere. It's in my shoe, actually.
Yeah, it does get in your shoe sometimes.
Yeah, it hurts.
Let me find the magnet. Where's that magnet? Oh man.
Horizontal lever? That's what she said.
There you go.
Let's just release it, right? Should I just do it in here?
Yeah, drop in there. Screw out.
Screw you.
Screw it.
Oh, I thought I got everything.
Hide in there.
Tastes like chicken
Tastes like chicken!
of the sea. Tastes like chicken of the sea. That's weird. It's probably because they're all heavy metals in those fish too. Heavy metal. Check out YouthFool.com. YouthFool coming out with new singles soon.
Soon? I thought you already just came out with one.
Just came out with one, but like that was like our mellow song.
That's their mellow song.
They were coming out with some bangers.
If you want to hear it, I'll link a card up top here.
Just link our SoundCloud because we don't have a website yet. We're working on it.
I'll just link to our last video. We had it in.
Yeah, it's SoundCloud or whatever. It's on Spotify.
Well, if you get the new one out, I can put it in the vlog since we don't have any good content right now.
Yeah.
You're clean. Actually, we do have. This just came in today. Another Can-Am. Our buddy Dale, vintage racer.
Old Dale.
National champion last year. Old 177. He's getting rid of this bike. Apparently this exhaust is really rare. It's an aftermarket for the two-stroke. So he wants that taken off and the stock exhaust
Shout out to
put
Dale
on.
for killing it.
That we powder coated for him sometime. I don't even remember. In high temp black, but we have to retrofit it in here because apparently whoever owned this before, they cut the exhaust too short up here so this wouldn't stick out. So we just have to lengthen that. Not a big deal. We'll knock that out. Bandsaw is looking awfully clean.
I wish I was a baller. I wish I had the girl with the hood I could call her. I wish I had a rabbit in a hat with a bat and a 60-bone pole.
Apparently Dan thought he was going to one-up me, but no, he was not, because I showed up with a new camera. Boom. Anyways, guys, yeah, hopefully this quality looks a lot better. It does in the viewfinder. I can actually see myself. Anyways, we just, nothing really today. We're just cleaning and just wanted to show you the grinding capabilities of that 2x72 that we built. So other than that, guys, we will talk to you next time.
Wait. Rim job.
So bring your A game, cause you know this party won't stop. We could never run out of time, sipping strawberry lime, you know I